I'm coming in loud and clear. Might hear me on the radio. Breaker, breaker, 1-9. Anybody got their ears on?
Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out. President reached out to me. I've been out of town. That's why I'm wearing this outfit. It's actually past midnight here, and I just walked in the door less than 10 minutes ago, and I headed right up to the studio to shoot this. President reached out to me, and they said, hey, we would love for you to let somebody out there in your fan base, and your listeners, your viewers, to win their very own President Walker 2. Now, the box I have here is the President Walker 3. I'm sorry, but after midnight, I get a little cranky, and I had a hard time finding the correct box, but the radio looks identical to this. The 3 is FM mode. The 2 is just an AM radio, although only AM. It's a really, really nice radio. You can win your own, and I'm going to give that away on 10/4. Get it? 10/4? Which I thought was really cool of them to want to do that. So I'm putting this out Sunday morning because it is Sunday morning if you want to get technical about it. But I'm going to put this out Sunday morning and give you a couple days between the day that I put it out and the day that this thing is given away. All you have to do, there's a few things, but it's not much, is be a U.S. Mailing address, right? It's got to be in the 48 lower states. And that's the biggest problem. The second thing, if you want to win one of these for free, and I've done this with a lot of radio giveaways, so those of you who have been around a while, you're well aware of how this works. You're going to leave me one single compelling comment below. I want to hear why you want it, what you're going to do with it, why you think you should be the one to win it. We're going to go through that at lunchtime on the 4th. I'll cut off any new comments. My wife and I will take a look at it when we get home from work on the 4th. And at, I don't know, 7 o'clock Eastern time probably, I'll do a really, really quick pop on, do a live show on the channel, and we'll give it away. We'll pick the best 10. I'll pick whoever the winner is out of those 10. So give me a single, don't spam me, Hal, but just give me a single really good reason why you should get yourself a free President Walker 2. And I look forward to reading those comments and hopefully finding the right winner. And if you want to help my channel out, and I mean, I could get in tonight to talk to you about why I'm in a suit at 12:30 in the morning, but if you want to help my channel out, we offer memberships now. And it's just a way of supporting the channel. I think it's like $2.99 a month. We have about a dozen or so of you out there, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. And if that's something you feel like you can afford, well, that would help me out a whole lot in my endeavors and be able to afford to do more giveaways like this. I'm trying to give away another FM transmitter before the end of the year, so I like doing that stuff. So maybe check it out. Till next time, my friends, take care.